Hi and welcome to Bloom Skincare. If this is your first time on the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being part of the Bloom Skincare family. Today, using these simple soaps, your Ghana Black Soap and your Ghana White Soap, I'll be showing you how to make a very simple, organic, lightening black soap. Now, this soap is made with natural ingredients to lighten your skin over time without giving you any skin problems whatsoever. All right, so let's go directly into production. What I'm doing right now is basically with the aid of my fingers just breaking down the soap, and I'm doing this because I am going to be double boiling this soap. All right, so I'm going to be putting it into heat so that it can melt down. I don't want any water or any liquid going into this soap, so I'm going to be melting it on heat. A full detailed recipe for the soap will be coming up along the line as you watch the video, so just understand what I'm doing. Don't worry about taking down notes. A recipe will be popping up at a point along the video. All right, and also if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Kindly scroll down below and click on the subscribe button to join the Bloom Skincare family. Also turn on your post notification bells so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, into my bar soap, I'm going to be adding shea butter. This is a shea butter that is natural in every way, unadulterated. All right, so I'm going to be adding shea butter in here, and the reason for choosing shea butter is because of its high fatty content. Shea butter is going to actually deeply moisturize your skin. You know, black soaps can be very drying, so we are adding shea butter into this, and then we'll be taking this to the double boil. All right, we'll be right back. So after double boiling, this is what our soap base looks like. All right, you can see that there are still a little lumps in there, so this should actually be back on double boil for a little bit more. But because I don't have time, I'm just going to blend everything in properly with my mixer later on. All right, so now we're going to be working on our whitening additive, and the powder of choice we are using here is none other than our kojic dip powder. All right, so to mix our kojic dip, we're going to be adding in vegetable glycerin. Kojic dip, this is going to help us dissolve our kojic dip. All right, so once we add our vegetable glycerin into our kojic dip powder, we're just going to gently stir the mixture until we form a slurry. A slurry is like a paste that tells you that you're a thick paste, rather, that helps you know that your powder is properly dissolved. So once we achieve the consistency that we're looking for, we're going to turn this into our soap base. This is going to help lighten your skin. You can see how our powder has turned out. There are no lumps, so we're just gently going to turn that into our soap base, and then we'll go ahead with other ingredients. Up next, we'll be going in with our antioxidant, and the antioxidant I've chosen for this particular recipe is a very popular and widely used antioxidant in skincare, and that is your organic vitamin E oil, tocopherol. So you can use your capsule, but I always prefer to use the organic oil. All right, so we're going to be adding our vitamin E into the soap. Vitamin E is very important here First off, it acts as an antioxidant, which means that it's going to help rid your skin of any free radicals that might try to damage your skin. It's going to help extend the shelf life of your product, and it's going to help to give you that smooth, supple skin tone that you're looking for. Next, we'll be going in with our aloe vera gel. All right. This is a beautiful moisturizer, and I always use this whenever I am making my black soap, especially a soap I want to use for face and body. All right, and this is one of those soaps. The ingredients are chosen specifically because they can be used both on your face and on your body without any side effects whatsoever. Up next, we'll be going in with our propylene glycol. This is going to help every single ingredient present in this formula sink deep into your skin, and it's going to help them work faster. All right, so propylene glycol basically is a delivery mechanism to deliver these organisms, or these ingredients rather, straight into your skin. So we're also going to be going in with our tea tree essential oil. If you are an OG on this channel, you know that this is one of my favorite essential oil because it helps combat acne, and also because of the minty fragrance that it brings to your soap. Next, we'll be adding in our Germal Plus. Of course, you cannot make your soap without having your preservative in there. This is a wash-off product. It's always going to come in contact with water, so it makes so much sense to add in your preservative. All right. The next ingredient I'm going to be adding into this is gonna be my raw whitening Egyptian milk. All right, this is my raw whitening Egyptian milk, and I'm going to be adding it into the soap. Remember, this is an organic soap, so when you're making organic products, you're not supposed to use over-the-counter products in making them. So everything I've used here today is actually organic. Now, if you cannot find your Egyptian milk, there are other milks in the market that you can buy. Your Asian milk is one of them, your Filipino milk. All this is just to help boost the lightening effect of your soap. All right. So at this point, all that is left is to properly blend our soap together. But while we're doing that, I'd like to take the opportunity to inform you of our ongoing ultra whitening skincare class for the month of May. Now, if you're yet to register for our classes, you have no idea what you're missing. All right, this class is one of the most comprehensive online skincare courses available right now. In this class, we're going to teach you how to make your whitening products ranging from face creams to body creams, soaps, scrubs, and oils. All right, we're going to teach you how to make active products that would lighten your client without causing any skin reaction whatsoever. All you need to do is to contact us via the WhatsApp number on your screen at the moment to register for your class. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, and it doesn't matter if you already have skincare knowledge. This class is going to be beneficial to every single person that takes it. All right, register to become your own skincare boss today and make so much money this year, guys. There's so much money in cosmetology, and people are sleeping on it. So register for the class. Again, contact me via the WhatsApp number on your screen right now so that you'll be part of this whole endeavor. So we're almost done with blending our soap. This is what it looks like. You can see that the soap has taken a more solid form than earlier. That's because our ingredients has been properly incorporated. Now this soap can be used face and body by anybody aside from children. And finally, what I have to say is that if you're using this soap, please make sure you use it only at night. All right, you can use this soap only at night. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video.